I'm here to tell you what you really need to know about copyright. Copyright protects original works of authorship fixed in a tangible form of medium. That could be on a piece of paper, or it could be on a file on your computer. It protects the expression of ideas, but not the idea itself. So get them out of your head and record them somewhere. What is copyright? Copyright means the right to copy, and it's an exclusive right granted to authors of works. Copyright is a limited duration monopoly, a property right that one owns just like one owns a car or a house. Think of it as a monopoly that the law gives to creative people with respect to their creations. You can copyright music, film, choreography, photos, paintings, drawings, sculpture, and literature. The different types of copyright are the SR for sound recordings, and that includes CDs, vinyl, and audio books. PA for performing arts, and that includes musical compositions, choreography, and motion pictures. TX, text, which is books, poems, and scripts. VA for visual arts, which is photos, paintings, sculptures, and architecture. And there's the RE for renewal. Copyright gives you 6 exclusive rights. That is 4 Ds, a P, and an R. Those rights are the right to reproduce the copyrighted works and copies, the right to prepare derivative works based on the copyrighted work. And a derivative work is sort of like J.K. Rowling wrote the Harry Potter books, and then they made Harry Potter movies, and the movies are derivative works of the film. The right to perform the work publicly, the right to distribute copies to the public by sale or other transfer of ownership, or by rental, lease, or lending, the right to display the work publicly, the right to perform the copyrighted work publicly by means of a digital audio transmission. Just think of copyright as your retirement plan, where your grandchildren can still be collecting from it after you're gone. Copyright lasts the lifetime of the author plus 70 years. So if you are an author, your copyright lasts 70 years after you've passed on. And if you wrote it with someone, it lasts 70 years after the last surviving author has died. Why is copyright important? Without copyright, musical compositions and recordings will have little to no monetary value. Without the right to reproduce, people could take your recordings and make copies without paying you for it. Without the right to distribute, anyone could record your song and sell copies without paying you. And without the right to perform, anyone could perform your songs on the radio or television and not pay you for it. How do you register for copyright? Well, to register for copyright, you go to www.copyright.gov and you complete Form PA for musical compositions and songs. You complete Form SR for sound recordings, which is the masters. Or you can complete Form SR and include the underlying composition and lyrics, and that way you don't have any additional costs, so you can essentially be filing 2 copyrights in one. What are the benefits of copyright registration? Copyright registration establishes a public record of a copyright claim. Before you can bring an infringement suit on someone in court, you need the necessary registration for your works. And if the copyright claim is made within 5 years of publication, The registration will establish evidence in court of the validity of the copyright and of the facts stated in the certificate. And that means that if you take someone to court for copyright infringement, that they would have to prove that your copyright is not valid. Now, copyright registration doesn't prevent people from infringing on your rights, but it does give you support in case legal action is taken. And that is all I have to say about copyright for today. Thank you for listening.